What's the meaning of CDR? CDR. CDR.
CDR. CDR. CDR stands for Compact Disc Recordable. It is a type of optical disc that can be recorded only once. CDRs are used for storing digital data such as music, photos, or software. They have a recording layer made of dye and a clear polycarbonate layer. When a CDR is burned with data, a laser heats up the dye and changes its color, creating pits and lands that represent the digital information. Once burned, the data on a CDR cannot be erased or modified, making it a reliable and permanent storage solution.